'Tis the season, and it gives me great pleasure to welcome you back on Amrita Raichand, Chef&Beyond, where we are making exciting winter recipes to make this season and to make all your celebrations even more special. So what are we making today? Today we are making my signature dish, roast chicken. It is a classic recipe, yummy recipe, very easy, but when you're going to present it to your friends and family on the table, they are going to think that you are a true gourmet chef. So are you ready for this? Let's begin with roast chicken. तो रोस्ट चिकन का मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट होता है उसका मैरिनेशन, द नाइस क्रीमी गार्लिकी लेमनी मैरिनेशन. So let's begin with that, for which I need some extra virgin olive oil. Pour that in a bowl. Lots of butter. Like I said, it's nice and creamy. Just mix the butter along with the oil. Now in goes the finely chopped garlic. And now lots and lots of thyme. तो ये जो thyme है ये बहुत ही lemony flavor देता है, and it really adds to the flavor of roast chicken. Now the correct way of taking out thyme is hold the stalk like this and just pull the leaves gently. Now some salt, and since I've used salted butter, you have to be careful, don't put too much salt. And then of course some nice crushed black pepper. Alright, and now a little dash of mustard for that punch of flavor, and last but not the least, some lemon juice. Just stir this in. Nice, now check this beautiful marination out. That's the magic ingredient of a good roast chicken. Now let's start marinating the chicken. What I'm going to do is, जो roasting pan में आप chicken को roast करेंगे, उसी में हम chicken रखेंगे and do the marination here itself. So most important thing, जो chicken आप लेंगे करीबन 1200-1300 ग्राम से ज़्यादा ऊपर नहीं होना चाहिए and उस पे skin लगा होना चाहिए, okay? And that's what gets nice and crispy. Now I like to add some sea salt to it. मैंने कहा था कि salt ध्यान रखिएगा, but the sea salt gives that little texture and that amazing flavor, so you need that for sure. तो थोड़ा सा दोनों साइड में हम इस तरह से salt and pepper को rub कर लेंगे before we apply the marination. Now time to rub in this amazing marinade on the chicken. अब ये पूरा marination अच्छे से स्किन पे, स्किन के अंदर, crevices में, cavity के अंदर पूरी तरह से अच्छे से rub करना है, and we have to give it a really nice massage. So here you see how I'm going right through the skin and inside the leg. This is very important if you want a nice crispy skin. अब ये जो lemon को मैंने slit किया था, just press it a little with both your fingers. You want to release and place it inside the cavity. Now what else goes inside? These nice long sprigs of thyme. Whatever is left, just add it inside. Alright, well the chicken is marinated, but this roast chicken becomes what it does with the help of the accompaniments. These baby potatoes that have been parboiled, but again you do not have to take the skin out. Some carrots which have been sliced rather thick, as you can see, and an entire bulb of garlic. And this goes inside this marination as well. Give it a nice little toss. What are we going to do? We're going to add this to the same pan as the chicken. Well, I know it looks a little messy, but इसे जब बनाएंगे तो बहुत ही therapeutic feel होगा, and finally what you're going to be left with, so warm, so perfect for the winters, and you are going to thank me. We're going to lift the chicken up and put all of this as the base. ये हम क्यों करते हैं? ताकि जब chicken roast होता है तो जो heat है वो evenly उसे पहुंचना चाहिए. Okay, now what we need to do is tie the legs, but don't worry, अगर आपके पास ये trussing thread नहीं है तो आप नहीं भी बांधेंगे तो कोई problem नहीं है. It just keeps, you know, the legs in place, and जो bird है वो बहुत evenly roast होता है अगर आप उसे अच्छे से बांध दें तो। There, the prep is done. Now all that's left is the roasting. तो हम इसे start करेंगे 200 degrees centigrade पे, and then we are going to lower the temperature to 180 degrees and roast it for another 25 to 35 minutes. So let's get this bird roasting. This is smelling so good. No wonder everybody loves this. बस इसके जो juices हैं उसे आप एक sauce boat में निकाल लीजिए and you serve it along with this roast chicken. You have to let this rest for 10 to 15 minutes before carving it. Remember that, it is very important. नहीं तो जैसे ही आप इसे काटना शुरू करेंगे सारा जो उसका yummy juices है वो एकदम बाहर chopping board में निकल आएगा and you don't want that. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please do like and share this video with all your loved ones, and don't forget to subscribe to Amrita Raichand Chef and Beyond for more exciting recipes like this and for many more playlists as well. So until we meet again, this is Amrita Raichand signing off. Goodbye.